so glad I don't have to wear that.
It's always the girls. The girls have it so much tougher than the guys because, for one, high heels just on any given day just seem like a torturous device to me. But then also, you know, there's these costumes that are incredible costume designer Eduardo designs look amazing, but they're often many, many layers and you have to tie them up, and girls having to wear corsets. I mean, instrument of torture, pulling your chest in and pushing your boobs out, and then you can't breathe, you can't cough, and the girls constantly are having to change their shoes to put comfortable shoes on because we work long days. Sometimes you're standing on the side of a hill or a mountain in the rain for 12, 14 hours. So to do it in high heels and a corset is incredibly unforgiving. And so I give up an awful lot of props to the girls for not only the hard work that they do, and they're having to do the same as everybody else, but they're doing it, you know, while being kind of squeezed and pushed. So yeah, how actresses do it is beyond me. I give all the respect and love in the world to them.
Thank you. That was a great question. Thank you.